Are you going to have a completion of a certificate of completion after this class? Definitely the answer is yes. You will earn a certificate by attending all the classes, participating in all the classes, and passing your exam before definitely applying for the exam. Those are the things that you have to do to get the certificate. Those are some frequently asked questions. You can get back to them, guys, but those are only about the class. This is what I want to reach to, so let's get the job done. We need to know what is waiting for us, right? So how many questions you're going to solve in the exam? So it's only 180 question, guys, and you have 230 minutes. So it's easy. Only 4 hours and 180 questions. Okay, it's just a matter of training yourself to sit for 4 hours. This is the only challenge. The remaining is easy. All of this will happen. Yeah, don't worry. You will have 2 breaks in the 4 hours, which is very nice, right? You'll have 2 10 minutes break. So please take the 2 minutes break. The 2 10 minutes break will happen after the first 60 questions. You will be offered the break. Don't think that I am done with the 60 questions and I still feel fresh, so I'll be going. I need to finish and go back to my family. Forget about your family today, please. You will go for the break because you have to disconnect from the questions. If you continue or keep going answering, this will be a big challenge. You will be broken at some point. You will not be able to solve 120 questions in order. You have to have the break. But you need to keep in mind, guys, if you are asked or offered a break, they will be telling you that you will not be able to get back to the previous 60 questions. So if you want to review them now. Break, that means no getting back to those questions. You will answer from 121 to 160. Cool? Now, if you go to the break, you can leave the area, can make calls, you can do whatever you want, get out, go to the washroom, do whatever you want. 9:59, you should be in the range of the camera if you are doing that at home, and I will be telling you the process. Or if you're doing not inside a certification center. Cool? So please don't miss that. Once it's 10 minutes, you are not in the view of the camera, they will be calling you. If you don't respond, you're dropped. You are failed. Cool? Great. It can be done either at home or office, or what we mean by that, either in a training certification center or wherever you want online. Cool? It's your call. For me, because I don't have kids, I prefer doing that either at home or in the office because I have the upper hand on the IT. I can give permissions to the exam system. If you want to do it, please do it on your personal computer. And if you can have a space like that one inside, small space or whatever room, empty, nobody can access you for 4 hours, so do it please. Otherwise, do it in a certification center. If you have good reliable internet connection, go for it. A camera and a microphone, that's all what you need. Space, quiet space, clean, without anything in your hand reach, mobile phones, tissues, papers, whatever, no, just a clean table, one computer, a camera, built-in microphone. If you want a mouse, it's okay, and that's all. You don't need a paper, you don't need a pen, you don't need anything, you just need your laptop. Stay in a good manner with the camera, the normal position that you would love to sit. Don't get way much closer to the camera, they will ask you to get back. Don't get much far, they will be asking you to sit fairly within the camera view. You're not allowed to speak, you're not allowed to read the question loudly, nobody's allowed to come to you and to talk to you during the exam. The only single phrase that you're allowed to say that, sorry, please leave the room, I'm writing a PMP exam. Cool? It's strict, but they want to make sure that you are not cheating in your exam. There will be 5 questions are not counted for the exam. They will not count for your grade. Nobody knows which 5 questions are. How they think about it. The 5 questions that everybody got wrong, that means those are very difficult. and you will not count them for your grade. They are beautiful hearts, right? They are kind people. But on the other side, the 5 questions who everybody got correct, that means those are very easy. We should not be asking this. They will be also removed. So there is a 5 questions they will be removing from, and you will be evaluated on the 175 questions, and there is no wrong and correct answer. And usually it's not correct and incorrect answers. It's about near the best practice. This is the best practice, far from the best practice, fairly on the best practice. They usually evaluate it this way, but at the end of the day, there are some questions which is clearly with that very wrong answer, and you're selecting that, it's wrong. It's way much far from whatever, not only the PMP, okay? And each question is ranked on 3 grading system ranking, each task, and each task will have more than 1 question. So each task will be ranked on 3 items, either low, which is far from practice, medium, which is fairly on practice, high, which is best practice. So you need to try to target that best practice. The result is either failing the exam or passing the exam